Fast Metal. Here's how to install and remove prescription lenses with your Alpine sunglasses. Remove the shield lens from the frame first, and always work over a soft surface that will not damage your prescription lenses if they are dropped. From the front of the frame, hold one lens over its position and insert the outside edge of the lens into the groove first. Move toward the nose of the lens and press the rest of the lens evenly inward and downward until it snaps into place. Repeat this same process for the other lens. Check visually and apply light pressure forwards and backwards to make sure both lenses are fully inserted. Clean fingerprints off the lenses with a clean microfiber cloth. Spray cloth with lens cleaning solution if necessary. To remove your prescription lenses, make sure you are working over a soft surface and place both thumbs on the inside of the lens near the nose and push outward. Repeat the same process for the other lens.